What's up, you guys? So it's officially summer and it's super hot, so let's make these cool fruit popsicles at home. So you just need a ice cream mold or a popsicle mold that you can find from Aldi or a 99-cent store. You can use any type of milk that you want, and you can also use water. You could use the mango and chop it up, or you could use the mango that's already pre-chopped like I did. And of course you need honey, sugar, or maybe condensed milk. You need a food processor or a blender. Work with what you have, okay? You can actually use the juice that's already inside of the mango, or you don't have to. I use the juice and I added my little, what is it called, milk and honey. I did not measure this, I just eyeballed it. You can add as much sugar as you want. You blend it in. Once you blend it, you put it in these cool little molds. You will put it in a refrigerator overnight, and the next day you will have homemade popsicles. And you guys, these were so delicious and easy to make. I hope that you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.